Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This is the second part of this Revit series. In this Revit tutorial, we will learn how we can load families and add doors and windows and tag them. And those who didn't watch the first part of the series, I have added the link in the I button as well as in the description section. First, I'll change the color of the wall. For that, I'll click on Manage tab. Then click on Materials. I'll select this default material type. Then click on Appearance. Click on Colors, make it white, hit OK, apply and OK again. Now this looks good. Now I'll get back to level 1, type SL, click on this wall and press escape twice to split this wall. Now type TR and select the walls as shown to trim the desired wall and erase this wall. Now I'll add a 250 mm wall here. So select this wall, type CS to create similar wall and then click as shown to draw a wall like this. Press escape twice. Now go to Architecture tab for adding doors and windows. Then click on Door tool. Here only single flush door is available. So click on Load Family. Get into the drive where you have installed Revit. Then follow the path as shown and get into Libraries folder. Get into US Metric folder. Scroll down. Open Door folder. Then get into Residential folder. And then select a door of your choice. I am selecting the 6-panel wood door. Click on Open and then select the desired types. I am selecting these two. Press Ctrl to select one after another. Hit OK. And these two doors have been added to the Properties palette. Select the 900 mm width door. Now this tag on placement option is turned on. I'll turn it off for a moment. And then if I click to place the doors, there are no tags for these doors. But if I turn it on and then place the doors, you can see these tags are on offer, which we can edit later on. So this is a great tool on offer from Revit. So I'll make sure the tags on placement is turned on. Then just zoom in and place the doors as shown. You can press spacebar to flip the orientation of the door. Select the 800 mm width door and place these as shown. Select the previous door type. I forgot to place one over here. Spacebar is the key by which the door's orientation is flipped. Don't forget. I'll place wider doors at the entrance. So click on Edit Type. Click on Duplicate. Rename it to 1000 by 2100 mm. Hit OK. Then change the width to 1000 mm. Hit OK. Then select this and place the two doors as shown. Then press escape twice as all the doors have been placed successfully. Now the tags look huge, so I'll change the scale to 1:50. Now this is quite good. Now for editing the door tags, select this door, then type SA to select all the doors of same property. Then click here and change the mark to D and then move the cursor towards the drawing canvas and hit OK to change the door tags. Now select this door, type SA to select all, mark all these as D1, move the cursor towards drawing canvas, hit OK. Same for the other door type. Tag these D2 as shown. Now select this wall. Click on this temporary dimension. Make it 2700. Press escape. Now click on Architecture tab, click on Windows. There are few window families. I'll load a few more. So click on Load Family, get into Windows folder. And then select this sliding window or any of these as per your requirement. Click on Open. So this is added to the properties palette. Then select this size and place the window as shown. Place it to all the other places as shown. Now I'll select this one and place it at this wall. Now I'll select this double hung window. Click on Edit Type. Click on Duplicate. Rename it to 750 by 900. Hit OK. Change the height to 900. Hit OK. Again click on Edit Type. Make another window of 600 by 600 as shown. Now place the windows in the baths as shown. Don't worry, this is placed inside the wall. We will move it afterwards. Then select this type and place it at the kitchen wall. We will place a sink over here afterwards. Press Escape. Then select this window. Use upwards key in the keyboard to move it a bit upwards and press Escape. Tag on placement must be turned on while you place the windows. Now select this window, click on Edit Type, scroll downwards and change the mark to W1 or instead simply W. Then hit OK. And you will observe tags of all windows of same property has been changed to W. So in this way, change all the tags as shown. Now you can get into 3D view and then orbit to have a look. Now select this window, type SA to select all the similar windows and then change the seal height to 1200. Press Escape. Now these are at par with the lintel level now. Select this window, change the seal height to 1200 as well. Then select these two windows and then change the seal height to 1200 as well. Press Escape. Now everything is perfect. So that's it for this video. We will move further in the next tutorial. So guys, please like and share the video if you like it so that I can continue this series, and do subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.